All right, so today we're here with our friends from the Florida Highway Patrol. We're going to be assisting them with interstate speed enforcement as well as the move over law. There's a guy going 99 right now. We're going to go get him. Hey, 99, I got this one. Yeah. Sorry, bud. This one's going 99.
Who is it?
Red car. Tango 31 1050, Sawgrass northbound, and 441. Hey, Officer Trelawney with Coral Springs. I stopped because you're going 99. Is everything okay? It's a 65-mile-an-hour speed limit.
I know. I was trying to pass the track because it was like little rock throwing, so I tried to pass.
All right. I mean, you could have done that going way below 99.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, but the rocks were coming to my windshield, so I tried to pass him. That was my
Okay. Do you have your license on your registration insurance?
I have the registration. Yeah, this one is the number.
Thank you.
The insurance I have it online. The insurance I have it in my phone.
Sure. Do you have your license on you as well?
No, I have it in my other car. I was following my wife. Sorry.
What's your name? All right.
I have my license.
You have it on your phone, a picture of it?
Yeah, I have it.
Can you read the driver license number out to me? All right. Let me see that. Okay, very good. And then just your insurance. I'll be right back while you work on that, okay? Is your address current on your license? Is that where you live right now? We're actually filming the introduction to this video, and while we're doing that, this driver was going 99 miles an hour on a 65. So he told me there was a truck and there were pebbles falling off the truck, kind of like a dump truck, and the pebbles were hitting his car, so he thought it was a good idea to pass the truck at 99 miles an hour when he could have just changed lanes and slowly passed the truck without going almost 100 miles an hour. He showed me a picture of his license on his phone. I identified him through that. He said he left the license in his other car. As long as I can identify the driver with his picture on his phone, that's fine. Now, if I look at the picture and I have a hard time identifying him, I can write him a ticket and he would have to provide his thumbprint for identification purposes for court. Now, if he fails to provide the thumbprint, it could be an arrestable offense. You could take him into custody for obstructing the investigation, but most times people don't do that. They leave the thumbprint and they go on with their day. Did you find the insurance?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, thank you. So I'm issuing you a citation for the speed, okay, 99 and 65. Because you're going 30 miles over the speed limit, it's a to-be set date, which means that the court is going to send you a letter in the mail letting you know when your court date is. You have to show up or you have to hire an attorney, and they have to show up for you, okay? I need you to sign this citation, not admitting guilt, but you're promising to take care of this ticket. Right here is where you sign. All right. Like I said, that's the only way you can take care of it. You have to go talk to a judge. Do you have any questions or no? Okay, please slow down. 65, all right? Take care. So I just want to remind everybody, when you're going 30 miles over the speed limit, it's a to-be set date, which means the courts are going to send you a letter in the mail. It's not criminal. Unlike other states where speeding could be criminal, Florida has its own rules and case law. They say that speed alone, for the most part, isn't criminal. With that being said, if I gave him the to-be set citation, and I tell him, you have to sign this, and the driver says, I am refusing to sign this, I'm not signing anything, that is an arrestable offense, and he will be arrested for obstruction without violence. So he has to sign that. It's the law. If you don't, you can go to jail. Same thing with the whole fingerprint and thumbprint. If you don't have your driver license on you and I can't identify who you are, you have to have your thumbprint on the citation. If you're not willing to give that, that could be another arrestable offense. So as I was saying, with our friends from the Florida Highway Patrol, we're going to be working with them today with speed enforcement on the interstate, as well as the move over law. And just as a reminder for the move over law, the law says you're supposed to move over. Someone's going 92. There he goes. He's about to go do a chase down right now. So the law says that you are to move over a lane of traffic for any vehicle with flashing lights. That's including emergency vehicles, garbage truck, utility workers, as well as a new law that just recently passed. Anyone on the side of the road with their hazard lights on, you're to move over a lane of traffic. Now, if you can't move over a lane of traffic because there's another vehicle next to you, what you're supposed to do is go reduce your speed 20 miles under the posted speed limit. So for here, if you're going 65 and you can't move over because there's other traffic, you're to go 45 miles an hour while you pass them. It just makes everything safer for the people on the side of the road as well as the motorists who are also driving on the road. The only time it's different is if the speed limit is 25 miles an hour or less. The law says the same thing. You're supposed to move over. If you can't, for 25 miles per hour or less, you're supposed to reduce your speed by 5 miles under the posted speed limit. So 25, if you're in a 25 mile per hour road, 20. School zone, 10 miles an hour. But that's only if you can't move over. It's this white car. I saw 94, 95. Hey, I stopped you because of your speed, okay? 96, is everything okay?
I'm rushing to go get mine. He's not feeling so good.
Who's not feeling good?
It's mine.
Who is it?
My little cousin.
Your cousin's not feeling good. All right.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I mean, you're going 31 over. There's literally a trooper right over here too. I mean, it's disrespectful, man. And it's not only disrespectful, it's dangerous. All right, do you have your license on you, registration, insurance? All right. Jamaica license? Do you live here?
I haven't received my other license.
Okay.
I did the written.
Right.
The driving alcohol test online, but I haven't did
For your learner's permit?
to get my obtain my Florida license.
Okay. When did you do that?
I needed this at least just
So, okay. How long have you been living in Florida for? I can't hear you.
Not too long, because I went to school in Ohio, so I always come home to my wife.
Okay.
So I was visiting. But I've been living here for like maybe a year or so.
Yeah. All right. What's your current address? Do you have the registration insurance for this car? Hey, your car's still in drive. There you go. Your wife's dad's car? Thank you. And then just your insurance. This one's expired from 2022.
No problem.
But this is what it looks like. Did you ever get issued a temporary license for Florida, or you're just waiting on the paperwork?
I'm just waiting.
Okay, so you can't be driving right now. You know that, right? Because you're a resident of Florida and you have no license. The Jamaican license doesn't count anymore. It's not like you're on vacation. If you're visiting and you're on vacation, it'd be different. But you live here now. You got to get your license when you claim residency in Florida. Okay, it's been over a year, you said.
I haven't gotten my stuff yet.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Like my green card.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. You've been here for over 6 months. Once you're over here for 6 months, you automatically become a resident.
I never knew because that's what I used to like identify myself.
Okay, I'm just letting you know though, you can't drive anymore. It's a criminal offense. You have no driver license in Florida. Were you ever given a driver license in Ohio?
No.
No license in Ohio.
I wasn't driving in Ohio. I used to take like the transmit, like the school transmit.
Right.
I stayed like 7 minutes from the school.
Okay. 10/14/92. All right. The registration's expired. You got to find the current one and also find the insurance. You can do the insurance electronically, but I want to make sure this car is insured. Okay, I'll be right back. So 96 miles an hour and 65. He's from Jamaica and he gave me his Jamaican license. The problem is his Jamaican license doesn't count anymore. He's been in Florida for about a year now. The state recognizes people who've been here for 6 months or more a resident in Florida, even though technically if you haven't applied for residency. With traffic, you need to have a driver's license in Florida. If not, it's an arrestable offense. He could get a criminal citation. He's not supposed to be driving. So I'm going to see if he's ever been issued anything. He's telling me in Ohio he's never been issued a license. He told me before he lived in Florida he went to Ohio, but he just said when I was in Ohio, I used public transportation for things. Now he's driving a car, which is his wife's dad's car. Yeah, we'll investigate this further and we'll see what we find. Can you send me that DL number? Correct, because you don't have a license. You need a license in Florida to legally drive. Can someone come here or do I have to start a tow truck?
Huh? Where's it come?
Are they coming or not?
I'm trying to see. How am I supposed to like obtain it? Yeah, I don't really live here.
You have to contact the DMV and see what the process
It's
is.
like come and go all the time. Like, I'll be here and then I'll be in Jamaica and then I'll come back.
Yeah, but you live here.
Yeah, but I don't really like live here permanently. I'll just be here often because I have my wife.
Right.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So
But you're
I
not on
just
vacation.
visit- I just
Do you have a job in Florida?
No,
You don't?
no, I work in Jamaica and stuff. So I'm just here.
So how long have you been in?
often.
Yeah, but you said you were here for a year.
Yeah, I'm back and forth for a year often. So anyone who asks me where, I just say I live here. You know?
Okay.
Most of my family and my wife is here, so
Okay.
I'm
You have your passport on you? You don't have your passport on you. All right. All right, give me 1 second. Did you find it? All right, so good. And then, yeah, that's the old one. And then the insurance, you got to have that on file, okay? I know you said it's your dad's car, but remember, you're responsible for it. I checked on my end, it's good. So look, I'm issuing you 2 citations. This is your stuff back right here, okay? One is for no driver's license ever issued, and the other one's for the speeding. Now, because you have no driver's license, like I said, it's criminal. So you have a court date. You have to show up, or you have to have an attorney show up for you on your behalf, okay? I need you to sign and print. You're not admitting guilt by signing, but you're promising to take care of these citations.
where is the amount?
It's up to the judge. So the judge is going to set the fines, okay? If you don't sign these citations, I have to arrest you. Same with your thumbprint. If you don't give me a thumbprint, I have to take you to jail, all right? Again, you're not admitting guilt. You're just promising to take care of these citations. You're going to sign right here above my name. And then also on this one, I wrote you for 96 and a 65, by the way, okay? Yes, sir, that's what you're going. And then the last, I just need your thumbprints. It's a flat, firm press in this box right here.
Are you sure I was going on?
100% sure. Correct. So you're gonna put your thumb in the ink, and then it's gonna be a flat, firm press right here. And then you're gonna lift straight up. You're gonna do that twice, one more time. Who's coming to get the car? You have somebody coming? Okay.
You guys could.
I can't. You can't drive. You're not getting this.
You guys like.
No, we can't. You can't drive. You don't have a license in Florida? No. The answer is no. So you need to call someone, or I have to tow it. So I'll give you 5 more minutes to figure it out. Okay? I'm trying to work with you right now. All right? He said yes? All right. So do me a favor. Just go off of the roadway, hang out in the grass, and then I would just turn the car off and wait for someone. You're free to go. So after running him, he actually has a Florida issued ID card, and that ID card was issued back in April this year. We're in November now. Once I told him the rules, he started flip-flopping what he said to me previously. Oh, actually, I'm back and forth. When I asked him if he had his passport on him, no, I don't have my passport on me. he goes from saying, I lived in Ohio, I went to school there, to now I live in Florida. I've been here for approximately 1 year. He has an address in the city of Sunrise. And then he goes, I tell him the rules, and then he tells me, oh, actually, I'm back and forth. It doesn't work like that. So now, if he wants to go with that, he can go to court, and if it goes to trial, I'm more than happy to show up for trial. I'll testify of what happened, what he told me today, and I'll appear in front of a judge, and he'll appear in front of a judge, and then it's at the end of the day, it's going to be the decision of the judge of what happens, whether or not he has to spend jail time, whether or not what the fines are. It's all going to be adjusted by the judge. So I'm telling you now, though, through my experience, they're not happy when people don't have driver licenses and they're going 31 miles over the speed limit. The white one. There goes my GPS. Nice sign. Tango 31, 1050. Sawgrass northbound 441. Hey, you okay?
Yes, sir.
Whoa, what's going on here?
I had my thing on the cruise control account.
All right, how old is your son here?
7.
It's a white Kia. It's a rental. You said 7 years old? Okay. Why is he not wearing a seatbelt correctly?
He literally just did. I'm getting ready to drop them.
The kids don't even have anything in the back here. You got 3 kids.
What happened was I ended up, my truck had broke down, so I was getting ready to drop them off. And I'm getting ready to drop them off to my friend's house, and I'm getting ready to fly out of town. That's what's going on.
All right, this is no good. You got to call someone with car seats. How old are the ones in the back? 9?
9, 5, and they twins. 7.
5 and 7? Yeah, they gotta be in car seats, man. This is too, especially you're going 92 and a 65. That's why I pulled you over. Just to let you know, my name is Officer Charney with Coral Springs Police. That's the reason for the stop, the initial stop, 92. But you have kids with no car seats. All right, you're gonna have to call someone to come get you. To come bring you car seats. Do you have your license on you, registration, insurance?
Yeah, but I don't think my car seats. The car is in my truck is in the shop. So that.
See if somebody can. You can't drive like this. You can't.
I don't think most have. Hold on 1 second.
No problem. Do you have the renter's agreement?
It comes in an email.
Okay, no problem. Tango 31 to 92. Sawgrass Expressway and State Road 7.
State Road 7 and Sawgrass Expressway?
No, Sawgrass Expressway and State Road 7. You're on the Sawgrass.
Oh, State Road 7?
No, Sawgrass Expressway and State Road 7, okay? He's on the Sawgrass Expressway. He's not on State Road 7. You can't, this is not good, okay? Do you live in my... 1029. Give me 1 second, though.
Yeah, I need the booster seat. Yeah, you got him in there with you?
Yeah. I'll come see you right now.
Okay.
Is you okay with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, he wants you right
Do you still live in Miami?
No.
You don't. All right, let me get your new address.
So that means
I'll send you the location. No.
Okay.
I'll send you the location.
All right, what's your new address, sir?
Okay. I'll see.
And what's the reason for the speed?
I actually was getting over, and the truck was coming behind me, but I sped up trying to get over, but it didn't go down from the cruise control.
All right. Okay, you gotta be careful, bud. So the reason why we stopped him was because he's going 92 in the 65 Sawgrass Expressway. Now I walk up to the vehicle. First thing we see is a 7-year-old sitting in the passenger seat with his lap belt across his lap, but his shoulder belt was behind him in the front seat of the car. I look to the rear, I got 3 other kids kind of like laying down, like sleeping. It's ridiculous. You can't have that. That is like not only dangerous for him driving 92, but all those kids in the car, if a wreck occurs, they're gonna be flying around the car like rag dolls, and they're gonna get hurt, seriously hurt, and it's not fair to the kids, okay? His car's in the shop, he's telling me. He's got some mechanical problems with his other car, so this is a rental vehicle. But if your car's in the shop and you have kids, you need to take your equipment out of your assigned car, the car that you own, and put all of your car seats in your own car. I mean, it's ridiculous. There's no excuse for this. So we're gonna run his license, check out a couple things, but he's gonna get a few tickets today for that, because it's a zero tolerance with kids and restraints. This is just a reminder, if you guys have children inside the vehicle in the state of Florida, these are the rules. From birth to 3, you gotta have them in a carrier, a car seat. The 4 to 5, it's the same thing. You gotta have them in a booster seat or a carrier as well. Carrier is a car seat. After that, 6 to 18, they have to wear their seatbelts. Now, in Florida, for an adult, you don't have to wear your seatbelt if you're sitting in the rear of a vehicle, but it's recommended. Legally, though, you don't have to wear it. But if you're in the front, whether it's the driver's seat or the front passenger seat, you have to wear your seatbelt, whether you're an adult or a kid or whatever. But these kids, you know, one of them 7. Again, that's the one that was sitting in front. His seatbelt wasn't even on him properly. The younger ones, they were laying down like they were on their sofa in their living room or a bed in their bedroom. You can't have that. They got to be properly secured. Even the 9-year-old's got to be in the seatbelt. I'm issuing 2 citations, okay? One's for the speed, the other one's for the child restraint violation. Now you have 3 options on how to take care of it. You can pay it, you can go to traffic school, or you can go to traffic court. But whichever option you choose, you have to choose an option within 30 days. Now, because someone's coming here with the booster seats, just pull off to the side, hang out in the grass area, and then just wait for whoever's coming here, okay? And then you'll be good to go. All right, take care. Please slow down. You got the 4 kids in the car, okay?